Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know this is different. This is a little bit of a different video. This is a different kind of vibe. The background's different. I'm different. We're all different. Anyway, what is up? I am currently downstairs in my living room, and I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys real quick. So I have some news. And I'm excited, nervous, very nervous actually, but really, really excited. I'm moving. I am moving out of my house. I'm not gonna be living here anymore. I don't know, it's very bittersweet. I'm having a hard time saying bye. I've been in here for almost 3 years, and I know it sounds kind of dorky, like Manny, stop being sad. It's a house, you know? But it's like, it's weird because you like have all these memories and you have all these different times that you've had here, and it's like, you can't really help but feel a certain type of way. You know, I move out in 2 days. Like, I've kept this from you guys for a little bit because, you know, I just wanted to make sure everything went through. And now that it is, it's like, oh my God, I'm actually moving. Like, it's actually happening. So I'm petrified, but I'm so excited. Like, I really, really am. I'm gonna end up staying at my mom and dad's for about a week because the other place that I got, I couldn't move into it until a week after I sold mine. So I got a new place, I got a new house. And it's farther. It's definitely not in where I live now. I live in Hollywood. For those of you guys who never knew, I lived in Hollywood. It's been wonderful. It's definitely been an amazing, amazing first home to get. But I'm so tired of living in Hollywood. I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired of being in like this madness, intensity all the time. I want to have a relaxing like reprieve from the city. I feel like with what I do already, it's already so stressful and it's so hard and it's intense, and it's like, dude, I want to have a break when I go home. I don't want to go home and think like work, 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 work. You know, I want to have a bigger place. I want to live in a space that like I can just feel calm about, and just go home and feel like it's my happy place. And with this home, I never really had that. It's always been intense. Living in Hollywood's not an easy city to live in, and it's like traffic's crazy, everything's madness all the time. I'm scared because it's like I'm like scared of not having my routine. Does that make sense? Like I feel like I'm such a routine person. Like once I get into routine, I don't want it to break. And it's like I have my routine now. I go to the gym, I go to Equinox, I go to like do my thing, and like I love that. And now it's all gonna change in 2 days. So I don't know. I'm like getting weirdly emotional about it. But anyway, you guys, so today's video, I just wanted to show you guys the house. The house is like kind of getting crazy. You know, I'm in pre-film mode right now because of the move. So I just kind of want to show you guys some stuff. Also, I filmed cleaning out some of my drawers. So that's going to be in today's video. I'm just kind of going through all my powder products. I went through like all my highlighters, my blushes, my loose setting powders, my bronzers, and my palettes. I went through all of those, and I'm getting rid of a lot of it. So I also decided that I wanted to do like a little giveaway. So for some of the products that have not been touched or not used, I'm gonna get like a pile of a couple of these items of these powder products, and I'm gonna do 3 giveaways for you guys in case you guys would like to enter. Just comment down below where you're from and how I can get a hold of you, and that's about it. So this is the little pile of giveaway stuff that I have for you guys if you guys want to enter. Okay guys, so here we have the little giveaways I'm doing. I have one right here, I have another one right here. We have a bunch of goodies in here. Come on, Kim K. So a bunch of stuff in here. Over palette. Love, love, love. And we have the third one right here. Just a bunch of goodies for you guys. If you guys want to try some of these out. A little NARS palette. We have a Morphe 35O that's unused in here. So these will be the 3 giveaways I'll be giving away to you guys for just being here and being awesome and being supporters of mine. I love you guys. So these are the 3 giveaways. You guys, again, there's 3 winners, open internationally like everything else. Be 18 or older to enter or have a parent's permission. And that's it. All you have to do is be subscribed and comment down below where you're from and how I can get a hold of you. So that's all you have to do to enter. But I want to show you guys the house, what it's looking like, how empty it is now, and just kind of take you guys along with me through the journey of the move. Like the move is happening. Like I don't really have, you know, any options anymore. I don't have a choice. The house is sold. I got my next one, and I'm heading out in 2 days. Moving's hard already, but so much stress on you, put so much strain on you. But it's also like when you get like the sentimental part into it, like not only is it physically hard, but it's like emotionally and mentally like taxing, because I'm gonna miss this house. You know, like it was an amazing, amazing house to me, and it was the first house I ever moved into by myself. I mean, with Nick, of course, but like I lived in my parents' house my whole life, and just having a room, and now I had a house, and now I'm moving into another house, and it's crazy. It's fucking crazy. But I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. I just feel like really like I'm just nervous. I think it'll be great. But yeah, you guys, that's today's video is going to be. It's going to be kind of all over the place. It's going to definitely be more vloggy than actual studio setup. So I hope you guys don't mind that, because that's what's going to be. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. You don't need to watch it if you don't like it. You don't. You don't. Okay? But if you guys do like this video, please go and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. Yeah, I'm going to walk you guys around the house and see what the fuck is going on up in this piece. Let's do it. disaster. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe I'm moving. Like, this is so weird to me. Also, those are little kibble bites from Zaya. She likes to eat on the couch. Fucking weird ass. So weird. Oh my god. What is going on? My backdrops. Wow. You guys, the beauty room though? Oh my goodness. This room needs help. This room needs Jesus. Oh my god. Okay, I can barely walk through here. We have the beauty room closet. That shit's getting cleared out as well. Okay, so we go to my room, and I'm not as packed up yet, even though I move in 2 days. So we got some boxes over here. We packed up some. My closet's more barren. My little thing over there is barren. My bed is barren. I ain't got no fucking man in the bed. The fuck? So we go over here in the bathroom. Cleared out. The drawers, this was the kicker. The drawers are cleared out. I love, why was there, what the heck? It's unused, thank God. Thank God. It's happening. My little drawer is empty. It's got some hoodies and some pants, because I wear hoodies all the time. The closet, I just got a couple pieces. Everything else is cleared. I hate packing. Oh, the bathroom has a bunch of boxes in it. There's a shit pad. Boxes and boxes, the house. But I just gotta show you guys some of it. This little pantry, guys, cleared out. No more towels in here. Oh, there's 2. Plush. I cannot believe that I'm leaving this house. Like, it feels so weird to me. Oh, you're just chilling. Oh my gosh. Do you want me to draw you naked too? Jesus. What the heck? That TV's coming with us. Yeah. Where's our couch, Mommy? Where's our couch? You miss it? I thought you did too. You miss it? You're gonna have a new home. Your world's about to be turned upside down in 2 days. It sure is. Okay, so we have to get our shit together.
Of seeing all this stuff.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm gonna cry. I feel like I'm gonna cry moving. I don't know, man, I'm just sensitive. I'm a sensitive person. And this house has been through so much with me, and I've been through a lot in this house. I don't know, I'm also not really good with change. I don't know how you guys are with change, but I'm just not the best with it. Like, I don't enjoy moving. I don't like changing up my routine. I wanna just keep things how they are all the time. But I know change is good. Change means growth and, you know, movement in the right direction. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm scared. I don't know what I'm scared for. Like, why am I even scared? I'm being a little bitch. I can handle it. It's a move. It's not like I'm like going away forever. Just a different place. I don't know, maybe I'm the only one that feels like this whenever I'm moving or anything like that. It just feels so uprooting and so invasive and so harsh that it freaks me out so much. I'm just not good with change. I'm trying to get better. You know, before I'll probably be bawling, but you know, at least I'm just getting emotional, not crying fully. Oh, you guys. It's official. Tomorrow is the day. The next videos you guys will see, the next couple of videos will be pre-filmed, of course. And I hope you guys don't mind that, but I had to do what I had to do. And I'm gonna do my best to, you know, get in my place as soon as possible and set up as soon as possible so I can keep filming. At the end of the day, I can always vlog and do on my camera and just make shit happen. I'm a resourceful little bitch, but thank you guys so much for being here and being along the journey with me. It's gonna be a hellish next month, I'm sure. Just a lot going on in my work life and in my personal life with the move. So it's gonna be crazy, and I hope you guys are down for the ride. It's gonna be nuts. Knuckin' futs is what it's gonna be. So, but anyways, you guys, I love you guys so much, and have an amazing rest of the night or day wherever you guys are. Next time you see me, I'll be at home. It's cool. I'm so blessed to have my parents. I get to stay with them up in fucking bumfuck nowhere, 50 miles from LA. What the fuck? And I'll catch you guys in my next video. It'll be a little bit different than this, for sure. I love you guys. Bye. Moving's a bitch and a half.